Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my class. This is Muhammad Rafiqul Islam, lecturer of mathematics, Can Public School and College, Sohitpur. Today I'll solve some math on exercise 6b. Here I have written question. Do calculation 5 by 6 multi 3 by 7. This is the question 1, and another 3 by 7 multi 21 by 6. Here 5 by 6, this is the proper fraction because here denominator is bigger than numerator. 3 by 7, this also proper fraction. Here 21 by 6, this is the improper fraction. I am multiplying of two factors. Here 1 5 by 6, 3 by 7. Here 3 is divisible by 6 is divisible by 3, that is this will be 2. Here 1 5 and 7 is not divisible by any number. Also 2 and 5, these two is not divisible by any number. So we'll multiply numerator and numerator. Here numerator 5, another one 5 1, this will be fine. 2 multi 7, this will be 40. Since this is the proper fraction, this is the answer of 5 by 6 multi 3 by 7. Here another one, 3 by 7 multi 21 by 6. 3 6, these two 6 is divisible by 3. Here we get 2 because 3 to the 6. 7 and 21. 21 is divisible by 7. Here 3 to 3 is not divisible by any number. We get here 3 in numerator and denominator here 2. This is the improper fraction. Now I convert this improper fraction to mixed fraction. 2 1, this will be 2, here 1. So mixed fraction of 3 by 2, this will be 1 integer 1 by 2. Here answer 1 integer 1 by 2. I am writing in exercise 6b question number 2. In a hostel every day, two integer 1 by 7 quintal of rice is needed. In that hostel. How many quintals of rice is needed in 1 week. I am reading this question. In a hostel, every day 2 integer 1 by 7 quintal of rice is needed. In that hostel, how many quintal of rice is needed in 1 week? In 1 day, rice is needed 2 integer 1 by 7 quintal. So we know 1 week is equal to 7 days. So therefore 7 days of rice is needed. 7 multi 2 integer 1 by 7. Okay, I am solving this. First, I'll convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. 2 integer 1 by 7 quintal. Two multi 7, this will be 14, and then add with 1, 15 by 7 quintal. In 1 day, rice is needed 15 by 7 quintal. We know here 1 week is equal to 7 days. You can write this. So therefore in 7 days rice is needed. This is unitary method. Here 7 is bigger than 1. So 17 by 7 multi, here this will be 7. For easy to solve, we can write 1 as denominator. So 7 and 7 cut each other, then we get here 15 by 1, that is 15 quintal. So in 7 days rice is needed here 15 quintal. Answer 15 quintals. I am writing another one. Question number 3. 1 meter of metal pipe weighs 3 integer 1 by 4 kg. How many kg does 3 by 5 meter of the pipe weight? Pipe weight. I am reading this question here. 1 meter of metal pipe weight 3 integer 1 by 4 kg. How many kg does 3 by 5 meter of the pipe weight? Here 3 integer 1 by 4 mixed fraction, 3 by 5, this is proper fraction. First we convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. 3 integer 1 by 4 kg. 3 multi 4, this will be 12, and add with 1, 13 by 4 kg. Weight of 1 meter metal pipe is here 13 by 4 kg. Therefore weight of Here 3 by 5 meter metal pipe, this will be 13 by 4 multi 3 by 5 kg. Here we seeing 13 is not divisible by any number in denominator, 3 also. So we'll multi numerator 13 and 3, this will be 39, and denominator 4 and 5, this will be 20. This is improper fraction, so we can convert next fraction. This and 19, so we get one integer (19 by 20). So answer, this will be one integer 19 by 20. Okay, thanks for watching my class. Stay home, stay safe.